Jesus! Mommy, stop now! Mommy, why are you spilling the food down?
Why you if not because of food, I'll give you a dirty slap. Jesus! What?
Mommy, just put out on my food! Mommy, stop now! Why are you doing this?
What happened to that pure water that I told you to get?
Which pure? Oh, okay, that pure water. Mommy, you know, like, I was hungry, so I said, let me
May that hunger strike you there, you stupid idiot. Ugochukwu, how many times do you want me to repeat in this house that Ugo, you must walk? Ugo, you must walk and talk very well before you eat anything in my house.
Like, I've done
Will you close down 30 minutes if I touch you, this stupid thing? After everything I've told you in this house, Ugo, I stopped you from going to school only for you to go and zap your other side that you said the one I'm going to use and buy that new wig. I mean, let me tell you, that party is tomorrow morning. If I don't get that money to buy that Ugo, I will eliminate you. I will eliminate you in this house.
I'm not to eliminate your
I'm still talking and talking. Second idiot. After
where's the water now?
You're still asking me questions. After everything that I've tried to take your mother out of you, it's you that will be a strawberry block for me. If I hear
Konami! Konami! Hey, boy. Last time there.
Yeah.
I said stand there. Konami! Hey. Before you utter any words from your mouth, I want you to pay attention to me. Pay what? Fully. Konami, this thing here, this nonsense I just saw, all these things you did. Pray is a prank. Oh yes, hold on, I'm not done with you. I pray that people watching everything you're doing now, I want them to come out. If not, if this is real, what I will do to you, Konami. You know what I want to do to you, you won't believe it. Stand here, man. Woman, so stand here. Plant your feet here and start explaining.
let me take it.
Don't rumble you.
Please.
Boy, come hold my bag. Fast, hold it. So hold my bag. Konami, before I count to 3, you will stand here now and start explaining to me the reason you won't bring my son outside. To do what? To do what?
Rehearsal.
Rehearsal?
Yes, for church rehearsal.
Church rehearsal? Oh, really? Konami! Hey. Don't make it to me! I won't go. Stay there.
Come down, let me explain.
Come here. I can see that you're a sinner. Stand here, let me see you. I can see that you're a sinner. Hey, I'm not done with you. I'm just starting now. Hey, come here, my friend. Give me a hand. Follow me. You know all this years. Talking to you, my friend. Stay. Stay in one place. Hey, focus.
I'm focused.
Follow me. Babe, what has come over? Do you know, since I got married to you, this is the first time I have heard you speak so much words.
Every day, anytime that you travel, you be maltreating me.
Really?
Yes.
But is it true? What are you lacking? I'm asking you, is it love? Is it money? Is it care? You pinpoint what exactly is lacking? Are you stupid? What is going for you? You stand here and turn my son into a slave. That my neighbors will be laughing at me. That I am not. That my neighbors will be laughing at me. I'm not able to take out my shot. I'm asking you. Are you sick? Something wrong with you? Are you sick? You got my nonsense again? You listen to me, woman. From now henceforth, you cease to be my wife. Now, the street I picture from, the street you will go back to. Do you see what I'm not saying? Now look at me. Hey, shush. This marriage is over. I said what? I said what? Son.
Yes, sir.
Come here. Do your thing with her. Fast! Oh, that is one. That is two. Give on that one. Go. Do your thing, my boy. It's okay. It's okay. But I mean, you know how to run. I want you to run. I said what? I want you to run.
Okay,
when you run, do not look back. Keep running, Konami. Keep running. Now. Go. God punish you. God? I said God will punish that woman. I said God will do what?
Punish that woman.
Now, boy, You knew that this nonsense has been going on, but you did not tell me.
She said,
why?
If I say that she'll take it.
Said she'll take a life.
Yes.
And I'm here. Huh? Let me have that bag. Yeah? It's okay. Yeah? It's okay. What do you want me to get for you? Come here. What do you want me to get for you? Like what? Bicycle. The one I bought for you last week, what happened to it?
I want to have 2 bicycles. I'm changing it every day from going to school, like church.
It's okay. Yeah? It's okay. How you looking?